Cannot hear anyone on Discord? We have you covered. Here are 6 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. This way you can stay connected with us and get quick help with your future tech issues. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is update Discord. Open Discord. Press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This will refresh and update Discord automatically. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reset Discord voice settings. Open Discord and click on the settings icon. Click on the voice and video tab. Scroll to the bottom and click on reset voice settings. Click OK to confirm. Method 3. Another thing you need to check is whether you have selected the correct output device in Discord. Open Discord settings. Select voice and video from the left side pane. Click on the drop-down menu for output device. Check that your preferred audio device is selected. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues every day. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Let's get back to the solutions. Method 4. The next thing you should do is set the default audio device. Press Windows+R to open Run. Type mmsys.cpl in the Run command box and press Enter. Select your preferred audio device. Click on the drop-down button beside Set Default option at the bottom. Select Default Device. Click on the drop-down menu again and select Default Communication Device. Click on OK. Method 5. You can also select Legacy Audio Subsystem to solve the audio problem in Discord. For this, open Discord settings and go to the Voice and Video tab. Scroll down to find Advanced Settings tab. Expand the audio subsystem by clicking on the drop-down menu. Select Legacy and click on the OK button to confirm. If this does not fix the problem, again click on the drop-down menu for Audio Subsystem. Select Experimental. Click on OK and check if it fixes the problem. Method 6. The next thing you should check is Discord's volume in Volume Mixer. Right-click on the sound icon from the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Drag the audio slider for Discord to maximum. That should fix the issue. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quicker solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.